My name is Grzegorz Pałosz, and I'm a chairman of EUbridge Limited.
Hello, my name is Karolina Ludwikowska and I am sales director in EUbridge company. Today we would like to show you our company and two production plants, and I invite you for taking part in a short video trip with us.
In 2021, we opened a new plant of sanding blocks. For sanding blocks production, we use three raw materials. Elastic hot melt adhesive, which is solvent-free. Foam of high density and hardness. Abrasive grain, aluminum oxide or silicon carbide or white fused alumina or others. First, foam blocks are cut into sheets. Next, we cut sheets into profiles. The cut profiles are connected and placed on the production line. The profiles are coated with adhesive on four sides at the same time. The next step of the production is direct grain cases on four sides at the same time. Ready profiles. The ready grain coated profiles are transported into the storeroom where they need to be measured for 48 hours. After 48 hours, the profiles are ready to be cut. Then they are sorted out and selected. The last step is bespoke branding, printing, labeling, packing into cartons. We have been producing flexible abrasive products with using technical fabrics, sanding meshes, for 20 years. For sand screen production, we use three main raw materials: technical fabrics with mesh structure, resins, and abrasive grain. Abrasive grain, resins. We have four production lines with capability of 5 meters per minute, each of them. We produce abrasive belt, which is cut later into sheets. Or discs. Then ready products are labeled, packed and printed due to clients' wish.